Hello family, greetings to you all and welcome back to my channel. It's your brother Chief Lamashegu Yepal Sewulara, also known as Prince Ayoko, sending my peaceful and warmly greetings to you all wherever you are. Lovely family, how are you doing? How is your families doing? And how is everyone at your side doing? I hope and pray that each and every one of you is doing well. And I wish you all a happy Monday and a prosperous, week. So family, we're back again, and it's all about, showing you what we are doing at the beautiful Queen's Guest Palace. As you can see it over there. You can hear that people are knocking things there. Yeah, work is going on. Work is actually going on there. And I'm so happy because these guys who are working over there is the tilers. It is the tilers who are over there working on the floor tiles. They work on part of the wall tiles today for the reception office, and they are continuing with the floor tiles to the reception office. But so far, so good. The tilers are professional. They are doing a very good job, and I like what they are doing, and I appreciate them so much for what they are doing. Both the tilers and their apprentices are very professional because they are teaching their apprentices very well. So I'm going to take you over there for you to see exactly what they are doing. It is said that seeing is believing. And I'm so sorry that I couldn't share a lot of, videos about the project with you this week, or sorry, this past week. I've been busy taking care of some community responsibilities, but these guys are over there working all the time. So let me take you there for you to see exactly how it is. Thank you for watching, but please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are new. Click on the notifications bell so that you know what, whenever I post a video, you will get notified. You get notifications to my new videos when I post videos. And don't also forget to share my contents with your families and friends, and then give my videos a thumbs up. So let's go. Thank you. So you can see the beautiful floor tiles that I bought for the reception office. This is 100% made in Ghana ceramic floor tiles. This is 100% made in Ghana ceramic floor tiles. Yeah, so family, like I'm telling you, this is all what it is. This particular wall tiles that I bought is called Tyford or Twyford. Some people call it Twyford, some people call it Tyford. It is spelled as Twyrd, Twyford. It is made in Ghana, and it is made in a city called Takoradi. Takoradi is in the western region of Ghana. There's a district in Takoradi called Shama. This particular wall tiles that you see, this beautiful wall tiles that you see, is made in Ghana. It's 100% made in Ghana, and I really love it. I really love the look of it. It's very nice. It has some, it's a kind of 3D tiles. When you look at it, you see yourself in it. So it's a kind of it's 3D wall tiles, ceramic wall tiles. And it's very beautiful. We have, two brands of tiles in Ghana that is very good. The colors is good, the quality is good, and it has some longer lifespan. We have Sentio, and then we have Twyford. So this particular type that I'm talking about right now is called Twyford. But the wall tiles that I'm using, I'm going to be very clearly. So the wall tiles that you see here is called Sentio. It's called Sentio. So this Sentio, yeah, this is the floor tiles. So this particular floor tiles that Master Mohammed and his men are working on is called Sentio, and it's very nice. You can see the look of it. It's very nice. and it's also made in Ghana. It's made from the same region. It's made in the Shama district in the western region. That is it, Sentio. So, as you can see, this is made in Ghana. Yeah, I think, sorry, this is made in Tema. This is the location. So it is located at Cemetery Junction around the Pong Road, Tema, Ghana. So that's where they do these cars, and you can see the name. It's called Sentio. It's 60 by 60 centimeters. So that's what we use for floor tiles. To those who are into building and wants to learn more about floor tiles and wall tiles, I always share a very important information about it. We have Goodwill, we have Sentio, we have Twyford, but I don't use the Goodwill. I don't say it's not good, but I always use these two brands. So I use this Twyford on the walls, and then use the Sentio. As you can see, we are using the Twyford on the wall and then the Sentio on the floor. These guys are very, very professional. They are very, very professional. When they work, they clean as they work. They clean as they work. You can see how he's knocking the tiles, but it doesn't break. And when they work, they use this level. It is the level that they use to make sure that the tiles is well positioned and doesn't have any kind of balance. So, Master Mohammed, how is it going? A lot of people have been contacting me, trying to get you to work for them. You know why? They like your work. Okay. So, what do you have to tell? Though you are working, I'm just going to take your time and do this. What do you have to tell? Can you watch the camera? Master Mohammed is busy. He wants to use all the mortar before the close of the day or before the end of the day. So what do you have to tell my family on YouTube? Like to people who are trying to reach out to you to work for them, what do you think you want to tell them?
Okay, good afternoon, family. I'm very glad to hear from you people. As you can see the way we are doing, we always try to make sure that we done with good work. So as I'm working with this, I always love my work. I'm always doing a hard working. And when I came here, I always try to work hard before the day has closed. So today we are almost done because as we came this morning, we started with the wall tiles and we get done with the walls and we started the floor. So we are getting to closing. But what I'm trying to say is that you need to help us. Whenever you have any work, you can contact Prince so that he will tell me we can do so many work.
Okay, so just share your contact information over there.
Okay. I have two numbers, but let me give my MTN out. The number is 054 or +233.
Just start it all over again.
+233 54 76 23 872. That's it. That's my
You can repeat it again.
+233 54 76 23 872.
All right, so that is his number. I'm gonna share it on the description box of the video. So family, the reason why I do this is because when you see his work and you like his work, maybe when you contact me, I'll be busy. I'm a very busy man. I'm a very, very busy chief. So this is not the only thing that I do. This project is not the only thing that I do. I do so many things. So when they break, I don't have time to waste at all. So sometimes to people who are trying to contact me and not getting me, I'm sorry for that. When I get time, I'll definitely attend to you. But I let him share his contact, and I'm also gonna share his contact on the description box to the video so that you all get to contact him when you want him to work for you. But hey, make sure that this my beautiful guest house finished before you take him away from me. All right. So like I showed you, you can see that the tiles matches perfectly with the ceiling. Now you can see that the wall tiles matches perfectly with the ceilings. The floor tiles will also match with the wall tiles. That's how we are doing. This particular project that we are doing, I'm the one who chooses the colors. I'm the very person who chooses the colors and everything. But sometimes when I choose the colors, I do ask the tiler, that's Master Mohammed, to see or just make a suggestion. And usually one thing that I like is that whatever color I choose, he likes it. So yeah, so as you can see, the reception office is so beautiful and it looks nice, as you can see all over the walls. It has some kind of stone designs in it. And I like it. I really like it. You know what? I'm just kissing the walls because I'm happy, I'm glad, and I'm liking it. Yeah, and it looks kind of like African map. So we have all the countries in Africa on it. Yeah, I'm just happy. That's why I'm just cracking all of these jokes. So, family, this is something that I'm just going to show you today. There's a lot that I'll show you. But you know what? Just give me up to tomorrow. Give me up to tomorrow and you'll see all the progresses that we've made here within this short piece. There's no time to waste at all. We are very, very busily building. We are building empires. You understand? We are busily building an empire for this generation and the next generation that will come. So, family, like I always tell you, sometimes staying focused and knowing what you're doing is very important, because that is what helps you to come out with a surprising result. You understand? When I say a surprising result, I'm talking about a good result. So I'm not going to say so much today, but I'll show you much of the results tomorrow. Because you know what? They have finished the first apartment at Queen's Guest House. They almost finished with the second apartment, and now we are working on the reception office. So work is going on, family. Work is really going on. Big up to my sister Doreen Wankalit. Big up to my sister CJ Williams. Big ups to brother Casely Hayford. Big ups to Nana Brimpong. Big ups to Mama UK. Oh, the family is big. Abundantly blessed is there. Big ups to you, my sister. Sister Wonderful. Blessed love to you. Big ups to brother Wadimaya. Bro, it's saying, and big up to all the YouTube family. Lightball, Ire. Oh, the names is so much. The name is so much. So please don't, forgive me if I'm not able to mention your name. If me not call your name, please catch me in the next song. Why you come in and see your name too much? Rasta got soul, reggae music rocking my bone. My bone is never getting old. Reggae music more and more and more and more. Yeah, man. So that's what is going on here. My Jamaican attitude has come. Yeah, so big up all my brothers and sisters in the Caribbean. Big up all my brothers and sisters in the US, in the UK, in Europe, all over Europe, Asia, Africa, my family in Tamale, Ghana. To all the brothers all over the world, big up to all of you. I love you all and I really appreciate your support. I appreciate everything about you or everything that you do to support me. And you know what? Family is family. We are one big family. So thank you so much and catch me up tomorrow evening on my channel for a very important video about this project. I'm going to show you all the hidden progresses that I've not been able to show you for the past, like for the past 1 week or so. So thank you so much. Till we meet again, it's your brother Chief Lamashewuye Epalsewulara, also known as your brother Prince Ayoko, sending my peacefully, lovely, and warmly greetings to you all. Stay blessed, stay focused, enjoy the rest of your day. Have a wonderful, productive, and have a blessed day. May the Almighty God and the ancestors continue to bless us with abundance of blessings. When I say abundance of blessings, I'm talking about abundance of good health, abundance of prosperity, abundance of long life, abundance of wealth, abundance of knowledge, abundance of wisdom, abundance of patience, and abundance of everything that everyone prays for. I love you all. Peace. One love. Yeah, Mom.
Como é que é?